All right, so this is what we do. This is a sweep we use right here. Basically, if you look at it, it's polycarbonate sweep for the European shower doors for 3/8 thick glass. That's what it's fitted for. But basically, this is how we fabricate them. So we need a 28-inch sweep for our door because that's the width of our door. So what I do is lightly mark it at 28 inches. Of course, always cut your mark off. I use a hacksaw. You can use a chop saw, but you really need a fine blade for it because this stuff can be kind of brittle. So you just want to basically, you don't want to get too aggressive with it, but let's go ahead. Cut like that. Get your snips out. You can just finish it off with the snips. And what we do is we take and we round this little piece here, both ends. And the reason we do that, two reasons. One, sometimes if the sweep is up against the wall, when you open the door to the inside, it can actually hit the wall and make a noise and rub, so we just take that off. Another reason is that you could stub your toe on it and that doesn't feel too hot. So I like to take and file that down a little bit, kind of dress it up a little bit. Get her all nice and smooth and rounded. Get her all cleaned up. And that's it. You gotta stop for a door.